Hi, I'm Leti Terrones, a librarian at Cal State L.A. University Library. In this 2-minute tutorial, I will show you 2 simple steps to start developing a research topic. Locating background information to learn about your topic once you have one in mind, and then asking the right questions to develop your topic even further. Research is about investigation. As a research detective, you must identify background information and use it to develop research questions about the topic. First, use OneSearch to find an encyclopedia article to gather background information on your topic you want to research. I'm interested in learning how art was an important tool at the beginning of the Black Lives Matter movement, so that's where I'm going to start my research. To find background information on this topic, I type Black Lives Matter into OneSearch. Once the search results pop up, I click Show More under the Resource Type filter on the left side. Then, narrow the search results to encyclopedias. The results show an encyclopedia entry about Black Lives Matter from a book titled Protest, A History of Social and Political Protest Graphics. The title of this book tells me it might be of interest to my topic. I'll click on the title, then I'll click on the link for Credo Reference Collection to read the full text of the article. As a visual learner, this article catches my eye because it has a lot of Black Lives Matter protest images. Right away, I can see the article describes how art is used as a form of protest. It has descriptive information, examples of other protest images, and context of the early days of the Black Lives Matter movement, which gives me more background information to add to what I already know. Now I can write a research question to narrow my topic even further. My question could ask about the history of art in resistance movements, or profile a specific artist. Better yet, I can ask, how have activists used art to advance the Black Lives Matter movement? In part 2 of this series, I will show you how to expand your research and begin to form a question. You can watch that video at the link below. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series on our social media channels and on our website at calstatela.edu/library.